In the mind of a billionaire, empty land isn't just space. It's a system waiting to be built. Empires aren't built with bricks. They're built with vision. Where others see silence, he sees traffic, contracts, and cash flow. This is how layered thinking turns a quiet opportunity into a multi-million-dollar machine. This is not just a story about money. It's a story about vision, about how the richest minds don't just work harder, they think deeper. One day, a billionaire took his son to the top of a mountain. The view stretched endlessly, valleys, forests, untouched land. Then he asked, "If this entire region were yours, how would you make money from it?" The boy thought for a moment. "I'd build a cattle farm," he said. "People pay well for quality beef. It's a stable, reliable income." The father nodded slowly, then replied, "That's not smart. A farm depends on weather, market swings, and luck. You could work 30 years and lose everything in one bad season." He pointed to the highest peak. "You need to think in layers. The first layer is always obvious." He continued, "Up there, we build a luxury residence for wealthy people who want to escape the noise. We invite a few famous influencers to stay for free. They'll post stories, reels, and selfies. Free advertising. Soon, this place will become the go-to destination for anyone seeking peace." The boy's eyes lit up. "That's brilliant. We could make a fortune." His father smiled. "That's just the bait. Now we move to layer 2. We build an ecosystem, partner with top real estate developers, construct a private road, a grand entrance, and a high-end shopping center. We sell $200 entry tickets, offer corporate discounts. If 10,000 people visit annually, this isn't just a resident, it's a multi-million-dollar business." The boy was silent, absorbing the scale of the vision. Then came layer 3. We placed the main gate several kilometers before the shopping center. Most people won't want to hike uphill, so they'll buy shuttle tickets. But we don't run the shuttles. We lease the rights to a transport company. They pay us $4 million a year. 5-year contract. That's $20 million guaranteed, without lifting a finger. The boy stared at the mountain. It no longer looked like land. It looked like a chessboard. "How do you see all this?" he asked. The billionaire looked out over the horizon and said, "When I was a kid, my father told me stories about strategy. One lesson stuck with me forever. If you think like everyone else, you'll never build an empire." We're taught to think in straight lines. We get so obsessed with our primary source of income that we forget how to build layers. But success isn't about working harder. It's about thinking differently. If this story made you feel something, like it now. Comment below and tell me which part of the story resonated with you most. And don't forget to subscribe. Because if you're looking for videos that don't just entertain but inspire, you're in the right place. Don't miss the new videos.